Hi, this is the OPPO F19 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So to add the widget to your home screen, you should hold for a while your home screen with the finger, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Tap on this icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which widgets you could add. To add the widget to your home screen, just tap on it and now it's added automatically to your home screen. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag the widget. You could also resize the widget just by holding it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, you should just tap the remove widgets icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.